I really admire the way you have welcomed me, you have respected me. She did not sit before I sit. She said, first you sit, then I will take you. Okay, thank you so much for that. I really feel something superior than you, all of you. Okay, so I just want to know what's the secret to your happiness. You always keep a very charming smile in your face, very attractive smile. Even you are smiling right now.
Hi, good evening to all.
Very good evening.
I am very happy person and I smiling every time. I don't know why. It is my nature. Also, that's it.
That's it. It's your nature.
Yes, sir.
Do you drink or eat any medicine to stay
No,
happy?
sir, no,
If
sir.
somebody says to me, "Oi, come here, Teri," we feel very angry. You are always happy.
Because sir, I have no anger and I deal every situation with very patiently and this is my nature. And I like to be happy and I like to be happy all over. That's why.
Okay. What do you want to say? I'm just moving to the question now. What do you want to say about the girls? Those always say, I just want to fly in the sky, I just need freedom. What's your comment on these girls?
I think freedom is important, but it is.
Okay. We should not have too much freedom.
We should not have too much freedom because if we get freedom, lots of freedom. So I do everything and we forget everything. That's and
We do anything.
we do anything and forget that's every
Okay, I have another question for you. Talk about how a man should treat a woman. How a man should treat a woman.
first of all man should give respect of the woman and understand her feelings and what she talk about and listen to very silently, not with anger and and man should understand his situation also.
May I counter you? Do you really think these days a man doesn't respect a woman? Do you really think? Or do you really think a man has ego?
Actually, everyone has ego. Is it a girl or man? Everyone has ego in today's time. And
How I was talking about, do you really think that a man doesn't respect a woman? I have a question because you are talking about a man should respect a woman. So I counter you. Like, do you really think a man is not respecting a woman nowadays?
actually, girls or women also respect of men and boys also. I think both are have respect for each other. In today's time, girls also disrespect with a boy, and women also disrespect with a man because everyone has ego and everyone has a anger issue and in today's time everyone has a jealousy with each other. That's why.
So may I know the reason like why people are having too much jealousy in their heart towards each other?
Sometimes people's jealous with each other because of his
Because of their success?
yes, because of their success, and sometimes people jealous because of why she have everything, she has everything, and why she has lots of freedom, and why she has smiling every time, and that's why.
Okay, there is a very beautiful phrase in English. If you got it, flaunt it. If you got it, flaunt it. Do you believe in it? Means if I have got muscles, if I have got 6 abs, I must show to the world.
Yes, if you have some skill, either you have a skill of fluent English, speak you fluent English, and I think every
It can be any skill.
it can be any skill. So I think everyone wants to show with in front of every people. That's I am this, and I have this skill, and I have speak fluent English, but you can't speak in English.
Okay, there is last question for you. I have talk about your Mann Ki Baat. You want to speak on this platform freely. Speak your Mann Ki Baat. Beta, I will listen to your Mann Ki Baat. Don't worry. Don't tell her. Tell me.
Enjoy every moment with happiness, and be happy, and stay be happy with
Also make others happy.
also make others happy, and deal every situation with smile, and don't make your face
Sad.
sad, and
Okay. Angry face.
don't make angry face. Keep smiling every time, because smile is the best thing to deal in every situation. That's
Bye.